guys, and welcome back to How Ines Rolls.
He's like a natural. We're gonna go and hang out for a little bit this afternoon. We're gonna go to lunch and we're gonna go to the store and pick up some things for Easter. And we thought we'd take you along. Should we get going?
Yeah.
Gotta come to Cafe Rio for lunch. I got a freebie, so I'm good. I'm ready to eat. Hungry. What are you gonna get? Quesadillas. The usual. Did you see who's here? It's Taylor! How's it going? So we're gonna get your queso. You ready? It's so fun running into some of our friends as kids. Okay, so that girl at the register, Taylor, is like a family friend of ours that my husband knew her dad like since elementary or middle school or something. So that's pretty awesome. Let me show you what I get when I'm not getting a salad. This is my other go-to. I love getting their chicken tortilla soup and adding more pico. So they comes with the cilantro and the lime, and I have extra pico because this is Ezra's go-to. Some chips and queso, right? Is that your favorite? Okay, we're done with lunch and now we're gonna come to Vaughn's and get some stuff for some Easter treats.
Tina loves milk.
She loves milk. Do you think she'll love milk chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to come and help me in the kitchen when we get home making some Easter treats?
Yeah.
You could probably even get some samples.
What is that?
You can even have some. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Now that we're back from getting lunch and getting to the store, I'm going to show you a couple of very, very simple snacks and treats for Easter that you can do for your kids or even a classroom. So that's kind of where I'm going with this too. So I'm going to be making these snacks for my class. One, I'm just going to make it for you guys and then give them to Ezra because he is going to be my helper today. And the other ones I'm just going to put in a freezer bag and put them in the refrigerator for our classroom party day. So I can't wait to get started because they are super easy. One is just, I don't even know what to call it. Let's call it like bunny at the wheel. How about that? I'll show you. So for the base of this, the bunny taking the wheel, we're just using a Twinkie. So this is gonna be the car. So I think you probably have seen some of these pictures of this little car. We're going to give it some wheels made out of Oreos, but not just any Oreos. I thought it would be fun to have lemon ones because I'm not a huge fan of the vanilla ones, even though it would match just fine with this, but I think lemon's better. What do you think, Ezra?
Lemon's better.
Lemon's better. Look at how super cute it is. So I feel like you can probably put some frosting in between the wheels to keep them there. And you could even use the miniature Oreos because that would probably be best if you're making it for a classroom. But for it being in my house, you guys, this is just fine. And they are super cute. So that will be one of the snacks for one of my classrooms. And I think it is adorable.
And cute.
So cute, huh, Ezzy?
Yeah.
So for the super easy snack part 2, we're making chocolate nest. So easy. We're just gonna have some peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup, to a bag of chocolate chips in a saucepan melting down. We're going to then mix it with what I know seems kind of weird or interesting is some noodles, some chow mein noodles. And then we'll just like shape them into little nests. And I'll show you. I'm just melting everything on a low flame. Right now, Ezra is practicing the piano. So he's not my helper at this minute, but that's okay. Practicing is important too. Okay, so all I have to do now is just pour in this yummy chocolate mixture with the peanut butter. Oh my gosh, you can't go wrong with this. And then just give it a good mix. And then just shape little nests, and I'll show you as I'm going along. So easy. And I even bought some little eggs to go inside of the nest, which will make them super cute. So I've made about a dozen here, which left me with a lot left over actually. So I'll show you what I'm doing for the boys. I'm just making a big old giant one. So these will be perfect for my classes, and I am so excited. So while the chocolate nests are forming, I thought I would show you, maybe I can show you here. Yes, you can see that I put eggs on it while the chocolate was soft and it can form, it will hopefully secure some of those eggs down. That's the goal. And then I'll be putting these, like I said, into a freezer bag and putting them in the back refrigerator just so that they're out of sight, out of mind, hopefully for the next few days. So while I'm waiting, I am just gonna fill up some more eggs, and I'll show you what we're doing in my class for our egg hunt. So we're doing an egg hunt at my classroom, and every kid's bringing about 6 eggs, and then I have like 3 dozen eggs that are left over. So I'll add more to their eggs, or to their baskets, which are just these cute little easy peasy sandwich bags that are actually oversized, and I never ever use them. So hello basket. Just a little bit of grass in there, and I'll just fill them up all the way, and then they can take them home. And so they won't really be holding them too much until they like walk out the door. So it should be okay. But I just thought they turned out really cute. I might even add some ears in the back, so it looks like more like a bunny, or maybe put a tail back here. So they're still in process. I still have a few more days. So I may do that. I may not, who knows? But I know the kids really enjoy it. Just like I think this time of year, there's just so many egg hunts. Usually in your community, you can probably find like at least a few going around, if not around some of the churches nearby. So we have one on Saturday, and then we have like my 2 classes, my 2 days, Thursday and Friday, I'm doing one. And then there's some more that are going to be out of town at parks. So we have a lot of them to attend, which will be super fun. But really, it's more fun for the little guys, right? So for my guys, my older guys, I made a giant chocolate nest. Let me show you. So you can see it is huge. And so I thought I would just give it a little try. So good. Crunchy, peanut buttery, chocolatey, delish. So I put this one in the fridge. That's why I have a little bit of a saran wrap on the bottom so it won't stick to the paper plate. And so that's what I'm gonna do with these as well, is just put them on baking sheets and then put them in the back freezer or refrigerator, just so they can solid up and get firm quicker, and I can put them away faster. Come on, they're like tempting me. They're like, Ines, I know you want one. And I'm like, yes, I do, but this one will have to be for the one that we share. So let me go put those away. So get your older kids involved. Have them make some of these easy treats. Have them hide the eggs for your younger nieces and nephews, or whatever it is. This holiday is really to bring families together. This is just a really fun holiday. So get everybody together, get the family around. The easier the better. You can search Pinterest for some really easy ideas. And just know, even for me, I tend to go on the easier side, because if it gets too complicated, like a big meal, a big spread, I'm probably going to not do it so much. Maybe once, and then I'm gonna be like, that was hard. I have a story about ice cream that way, making it from scratch. Anyways, I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel today. Give this video a thumbs up if you got some good creative ideas that will help you with Easter, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.
Bye.